Orbitwheel. Introducing Orbitwheels, a unique blend of skateboard and inline skates that brings a whole new experience to wheel sports. With Orbitwheels, you get the best of both worlds in a simple, exciting design. To ride, just step into the hollow wheels, which rotate sideways around each foot. Using a smooth, rhythmic motion, you can move each foot independently, giving you the freedom to turn and accelerate in ways that traditional skates or boards can't. The concept is simple: 2 feet, 2 wheels, and you're ready to go. Orbitwheels are intuitive to use and allow you to navigate with flexibility and ease. Whether you're carving down the street or weaving around obstacles, Orbitwheels offer a unique ride that's sure to stand out. Perfect for anyone looking to try something new in the world of wheel sports. Azeron Cyborg. The Azeron Cyborg is a game-changer for dedicated PC gamers aiming to elevate their skills. Designed with 29 fully customizable keys and an analog thumbstick, this advanced keypad delivers precision control across all types of games. The Cyborg is ideal for complex genres, like MMOs and real-time strategy games, where quick, accurate actions make all the difference. Ergonomically designed, it keeps your hand comfortable even through long gameplay sessions. Plus, its 3D printed build is both durable and repairable, making it a long-lasting addition to your gaming setup. This keypad is highly adaptable, allowing you to map keys, create custom profiles, and easily switch between configurations. With the Azeron Cyborg, you're in control of a fully customizable gaming experience that helps you level up faster and dive deeper into your favorite games. For gamers who want ultimate control in virtual worlds, the Azeron Cyborg offers unmatched precision and a serious competitive edge. Continental B Autonomous Car. The Continental B is an innovative autonomous vehicle concept from Continental Automotive. Its goal is to transform urban transportation, making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. The B in its name stands for balanced economy and ecology, emphasizing its commitment to sustainable transportation. This vehicle is designed for both passenger and goods transport, providing versatility in urban settings. The Continental B operates on a user-friendly network, allowing passengers to summon it with ease. It can reach a top speed of 60 km per hour and offers an impressive range of 350 km on a single charge. Powered by an electric engine, it ensures clean and efficient travel. The vehicle features a boxy, see-through design, creating a bright and comfortable interior with excellent visibility for passengers. As cities become more connected and sustainable, the Continental B aims to lead the way. Inspired by the efficiency and teamwork of worker bees, this vehicle represents a smart and eco-friendly solution for the future of urban mobility. Rewaco Trikes. Since 1990, Rewaco Trikes, crafted in Germany, have gained a reputation for cutting-edge design and exceptional engineering. Riding one of these trikes is an experience like no other, thanks to the unique combination of style and performance Rewaco brings to each model. For over 30 years, Rewaco has focused on perfecting trike design, and their dedication shows in models like the Pure 3 GT. This trike, along with the RF1 GT model, merges stylish design with sporty handling, and both models offer extensive customization options to suit different preferences. Another standout in the lineup, the RF First, comes in both 2-seater and 3-seater configurations, catering to those who need extra seating or storage. Powered by a 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, these trikes deliver horsepower ranging from 110 to 177, ensuring a powerful yet smooth ride. Rewaco Trikes start at around $39,223 for the base model, with top-end models like the Pure 3 GT reaching up to $45,947. These prices reflect Rewaco's commitment to high-quality craftsmanship and performance. For anyone seeking a stylish, high-performance ride, Rewaco Trikes stand out as a unique blend of design excellence and engineering mastery. CyberDog 2. Introducing Xiaomi's CyberDog 2, a bio-inspired quadruped robot built for impressive agility and intelligence. Powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Xavier NX AI supercomputer, CyberDog 2 is equipped with advanced hardware, including 384 CUDA cores, 48 tensor cores, a 6-core ARM CPU, and dual deep learning acceleration engines. This setup allows CyberDog 2 to handle complex tasks efficiently and in real time. With 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 16 GB of eMMC storage, and a near industrial-grade 32 GB SSD, this robot is ready for demanding applications. Xiaomi has also developed custom CyberGear micro actuators to enhance CyberDog 2's mobility, giving it the agility to perform complex maneuvers like continuous backflips and fall recovery. The high-performance servo motor designed by Xiaomi further expands its movement capabilities, allowing CyberDog 2 to run, jump, and adapt to various terrains. With this next-level engineering, Xiaomi's CyberDog 2 is redefining what robotic movement and intelligence can achieve. FY Bots Warehouse. The FY Bots Warehouse is revolutionizing warehouse operations with advanced autonomous robots. These robots are designed to manage inventory efficiently and work around the clock. This significantly reduces the need for manual labor. Equipped with cutting-edge AI and sensors, FY bots can navigate complex warehouse environments. They avoid obstacles while performing tasks like picking, sorting, and transporting goods with precision. Their modular design allows for easy integration into existing warehouse systems, making them a flexible solution for businesses of all sizes. With real-time data analytics, these robots optimize inventory processes, speeding up turnaround times and improving accuracy. The FY Bots Warehouse represents a cost-effective solution for modernizing logistics, bringing a new level of efficiency and innovation to the industry. MYLO Plus. The MYLO Plus is a compact and versatile three-wheeled electric vehicle, designed for easy storage and portability. It fits comfortably in a car trunk, RV, or even on a boat, making it a convenient choice for travel and everyday use. Powered by a 500-watt hub motor, the MYLO Plus provides a smooth and efficient ride. It offers a range of about 24 miles per charge, ideal for short commutes and city travel. The three-wheel design adds stability and agility, making it easy to navigate through urban environments. However, keep in mind that while it has 3 wheels, balancing is still needed, similar to riding a traditional bicycle. This makes it an excellent choice for those who enjoy a bit of adventure in their ride. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just enjoying a day out, the MYLO Plus delivers a fun, efficient, and practical riding experience. Its portability and ease of use make it a fantastic option for anyone looking to simplify their transportation. Skick Electric Utility Scooter. Meet the Skick Electric Utility Scooter, a unique micromobility solution designed to be eco-friendly and versatile, no matter the season. This electric scooter stands out from the crowd because it's built to handle any terrain, from trails and wet asphalt to snowy roads. Powered by a 48 volts powertrain optimized for cold weather, the Skick offers reliable performance across different conditions. At its core, a powerful 1000W brushless electric hub motor lets the Skick reach top speeds of up to 25 km per hour, or 15.5 miles per hour. Equipped with a 20Ah lithium-ion battery, this scooter provides a range of 40 to 55 kilometers, or about 25 to 35 miles, depending on the rider's weight and conditions. The battery is housed in a sleek, lockable case, making it easy to replace and secure. With compact dimensions of 117 by 79 by 81 centimeters, 46 by 31.1 by 32 inches, and weighing only 65 kilograms, 143 pounds, the Skick is lightweight and easy to push forward if the battery runs out. Plus, it features a foldable frame, so it can fit easily in your car trunk, making it ideal for longer trips. Whether you're navigating city streets or winter trails, the Skick Electric Utility Scooter is built to take you there in style and comfort. STORM-MPV. Introducing the STORM-MPV, a versatile, multi-purpose vehicle built to handle a wide range of driving conditions. Designed for 2024, the STORM-MPV blends advanced technology with impressive performance, making it ready for just about any adventure. At its core, the STORM-MPV is powered by a robust hybrid engine. This hybrid powertrain strikes the perfect balance between fuel efficiency and powerful driving. The advanced all-wheel drive system improves stability and traction, whether you're navigating city streets or taking it off-road. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious cabin that comfortably seats up to 7 passengers. The interior is designed with premium materials and offers flexible seating options to suit your needs. A large touchscreen interface, voice control, and multi-device connectivity keep everyone connected and entertained on the go. Safety is a top priority in the STORM-MPV. It's equipped with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking to provide extra peace of mind on every journey. From the outside, the STORM-MPV showcases a sleek, durable design. Aerodynamic lines give it a rugged yet refined look, combining functionality with style. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring the great outdoors, the STORM-MPV is built to take you there in comfort, safety, and style. Super Truck. Introducing the Super Truck, a groundbreaking concept vehicle that's pushing the limits of innovation in the trucking industry. Created by leading manufacturers, these vehicles are designed to transform freight transportation by boosting efficiency, cutting emissions, and maximizing performance. Super trucks are equipped with advanced features. They use cutting-edge aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and ultra-efficient powertrains, including hybrid and electric options. One notable example is the U.S. Department of Energy's Super Truck program, which works with industry giants like Freightliner, Volvo, and Peterbilt. These trucks achieve remarkable fuel efficiency, often reaching over 10 miles per gallon, a significant improvement over traditional diesel trucks. Key aerodynamic features, such as streamlined shapes, active grille shutters, and other enhancements, help minimize drag and conserve fuel. Super trucks represent a major step forward in sustainable freight, setting a new standard for the trucking industry's future. Eldorado 8S Prototype. The Eldorado 8S prototype redefines luxury boating with a blend of cutting-edge technology and eco-conscious design. It introduces advanced hydrofoil technology that lifts the vessel above the water, providing a smooth and silent ride. It's an experience that feels like flying over the waves. Handcrafted in the Netherlands, the 8S is designed for those who seek innovation without compromising on elegance. Every detail of the boat reflects exclusivity and craftsmanship. The carbon fiber hull not only adds to the sleek design but also boosts performance. It reaches a top speed of 38 knots, while offering a range of 40 nautical miles when cruising at 25 knots. This boat is powered by an electric drivetrain, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The retractable hydrofoil system further enhances efficiency, ensuring smooth sailing with minimal impact on the environment. The Eldorado 8S isn't just a boat, it's a lifestyle. It embodies freedom, sophistication, and a commitment to sustainability. This vessel is for visionary leaders who desire more than just a ride across the water. It's for those ready to soar in style. E-Bike White F1. The e-bike White F1 is raising the bar in electric biking with its powerful performance and sleek design. Equipped with a 2,400-watt motor, this bike can easily reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, offering an exciting ride every time you hit the road. Its 60-volt, 30Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long-distance trips. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame is designed for strength and durability, while also ensuring easy handling. The advanced suspension system guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. A full-color digital display allows you to monitor key details like speed, battery life, and ride modes, giving you full control of your experience. Priced at around $4,000, the White F1 offers exceptional value for its high-end features. It delivers a remarkable blend of speed, range, and style, making it a top choice for electric bike enthusiasts. Plana Hybrid Air Mobility. Introducing Plana, a groundbreaking startup in hybrid air mobility. Founded by the former head of Hyundai's Supernal EV program, Plana is revolutionizing how we approach air travel. With its innovative design, this hybrid electric vehicle offers a quieter and more sustainable flying experience. The Plana Hybrid EV is designed to carry one pilot and up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for small groups. It boasts an impressive operational range of up to 500 kilometers, making it suitable for longer journeys. Its sleek fuselage design extends into a large upper wing, and at the front, 2 canards provide extra stability. The propulsion system features large, tilting 5-blade electric propellers. This advanced system offers full vector thrust, ensuring smooth and efficient flight. Planea's focus is on passenger comfort and accessibility. The company is planning to build a demonstration aircraft soon, showing the potential of this remarkable innovation.